Hello, Bailiwickers! It's me, Chef Joey Prats, and I'm here to invite you all to a very special event. On April 21, 2024, that's a Sunday, at Baker John Academy in Quezon City. So what is this super special event that's going to happen on that day? It's my second face-to-face or in-person interactive class. And it's entitled Empanada Extravaganza. I'm going to do a demo of the recipes, and then the participants, you guys, will be doing a hands-on session with me. Ano ba ang mai-expect ninyo sa bagong class na ito? I'm going to teach you an all-new pastry dough or crust for your empanada. It's going to be a cream cheese-based dough. Wow, super sarap, melt in the mouth, super flavorful, very buttery and cheesy crust that you can use not just for empanadas but also for pies. So it's a multi-purpose crust, and along with it, we are going to do two new fillings for the empanadas. We are going to do a cheesy vegetable medley empanada, and the very first dessert empanada, the apple peach duo empanada. Trust me, napakasarap ng mga new recipes na to. And these two recipes will complement the three classic flavors which I taught sa online class natin na empanadas. Okay? So if you're going to attend this class, you will now know total of 5 flavors for your empanadas. And I think, and I believe, that this is going to be something that you can offer to your clients and of course your family and friends, no? So I hope you will join me in this class. Meron mga freebies, meron tayong mga for raffle, meron tayong mga question and answer, and a lot of activities. So this is going to be a very exciting day. So I hope you guys will join me and my team as we present to you Empanada Extravaganza. I'll see you there.